There you go. Good luck, Micah. micahw56. Box number 8. Mundi, 31 of 99. Stas Ali. Hera Sindula. Mon Mothma. R2D2. Kylo Ren. Jar Jar Binks. And Ahsoka Tano. Ashley Eckstein. Oh, we only had one numbered card in that one. Man, I'm going to have to look at the different variations when I sleeve and top load these cards for you guys. And box 1 also. Alright. There you go. Box 1. 9 and 7. You got it, Jonathan. 9 and 7. Redemption. Alright. Orn Frita. That is numbered 90 of 99. Poe Dameron. Never mind. Rune Hako. Boba Fett. Rancor. Captain Typho. And a 1 of 1 of Admiral Piet. And our autograph is Anthony Daniels Gold. Gold parallel Anthony Daniels. C3PO Gold. Oh, very nice. Very nice. Nice. Nice little box, Micah. Thank you, sir. Gold C3PO autograph.